In this video guide, we will provide you with detailed instructions on how to get rid of the adware type application that is now called StepWarrior. StepWarrior is a new adware that is from the adload family. This particular adload malware family currently attacks Mac computers primarily. The adware specifically injects its malicious roots into Safari browser, even though other browsers on Mac computers may also be affected. StepWarrior adware, once installed, starts playing the role of an advertising-supported software. It displays the tremendous amount of intrusive advertisements, pop-ups, new browser tabs opening, and also the adware may periodically redirect you to a lot of other shady and deceptive resources in the internet. If this StepWarrior adware has some way or another become the part of your Mac computer, you should urgently undertake the measures and get rid of it definitely. So to remove it, access your Finder, go to Applications. If you find this StepWarrior, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Of course, if you see any other suspicious programs here, get rid of them too. I would also recommend that you additionally investigate your computer and its safety with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please obtain its fresh version on the page combocleaner.com. Use this special green download button, install the program. This is the way the program looks like. First of all, the application should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. After that, click on Start Combo Scan button. So then the scanning by Combo Cleaner will begin. There are certain free features in Combo Cleaner trial. The program, of course, is initially in the trial mode. The free features of the trial mode are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. For instance, you may use the feature of disk cleaner. It will help you to essentially improve the speed of your computer. Then the scanning itself would, of course, take some time. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on the speed of your computer in general. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned. At the end of the scanning, you will see the information about the threats, about their locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your Mac always clean and free of threats.